in recent times continued the incredible Kenyan heritage, the incredible Kenyan tradition of flying the flag of this amazing country truly high. And allow me therefore, because this is a ceremony which really is in honor of you great people, to recognize the following 4 teams, Your Excellency, that you will also be rewarding today. I want in a special way to recognize the team that represented Kenya at the Youth Commonwealth Games in Trinidad and Tobago. I also want to recognize the team that represented Kenya at the Africa Beach Games in Tunisia. We also recognize in a very special way the great, irrepressible, amazing Malkia strikers. Our amazing national volleyball team that just won the African Championship and thereby qualified for a direct ticket to the 2024 Paris Olympics. Thank you, great ladies, and thank you, your partners, the partners who are supporting us as we support this team. And I want to recognize Mozapet, Sasa, Mheshimiwa, Sirma, together with your team that is supporting the Malkia Strikers. Asanteni sana. And finally, Your Excellency, today you will also be honoring the team that represented Kenya at the World Athletics Championships in Budapest, Hungary. May you rise, please, Faith, together with your colleagues, this amazing team that led Kenya to win 1st position in Africa and 5th position in the world. Hongera sana. Your Excellency, in our midst, we also have one young man that we have invited here to represent the incredible program which you launched at State House, the Talanta Hela initiative. And at the heart of Talanta Hela is the identification, nurturing, and monetization of talents. Here today is a young man, Your Excellency, who first met you when he was about 12 years old. Today, he is the most valuable football player from our Kenya secondary school ball games and has just won a scholarship to study and progress his football in Spain. May I present to you Aldrine Kibet. Aldrine